If you've been following my last 3 videos, you'd realize that they are specifically focused on organizing skills, especially if you're a first-time entrepreneur or have long hours work from home. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can restart your career after an extended break. Let's get started. Hey there, I'm Aparna, your personal coach, helping you upskill yourself to lead the life you desire. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button on the screen right now, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. Restarting your career after a long extended break can be really overwhelming, but like many things, technique and attitude will go a long way in ensuring success in this. So if you're a woman trying to get back after a marriage or a pregnancy break, or a man trying to return after a sabbatical, these 5 guidelines will increase your chances of success. Supercharge your self-confidence. The very first criteria after a break is to rev up your self-confidence. This is important because we often undervalue ourselves and what use we can be to the workforce. So take some time out to assess your strengths, skills, and support so that your confidence levels go up. It may be a good idea for you to enroll into some refresher courses so you're updated on all the latest technologies in your industry. Number 2, plan your re-entry. The beauty of restarting is that you can now do what you enjoy the most. Planning on making your passion a career may be a good way forward. So although this may take some time to formulate in your head, a detailed plan will help you get a clear structure. But if you're trying to get back into the workforce and you're concerned about the working hours and timings, working part-time may be good for you. There are several businesses offering working on a part-time basis without any long-term commitments. So planning your re-entry in detail will help you structure your future plan. Prepare an action plan. Once you made your decision, it is now time for an action plan. So if you're joining the workforce, then this is the time that you prepare your resume, short explanation of your break, and additional qualifications or experiences you've gathered during this break. Instead of apologizing or justifying your break, the short explanation will help showcase your confidence to your future employers. Craft your storyline. Turn your perceived negative into a showcase of adaptability, an important skill that is sought by all companies. So if your break was due to a family emergency or a corporate downsizing, this gives an opportunity for you to discuss on how you overcame challenges, displayed flexibility, leverage your creativity, and so on. So take some time to craft your storyline. You can connect with career coaches who can help in this. Network, network, network. Networking is possibly the most important skill of the present age. So you could be an entrepreneur looking for business opportunities or someone who's looking for a dream job. Networking will help you locate these opportunities. It can also help you update yourself on the latest developments in your industry. Exploit professional networking sites such as LinkedIn for this. There are many recruiters on LinkedIn and plenty of jobs are also posted out there. But if you are an entrepreneur looking for business opportunities, then joining professional networking groups such as BNI can help you get connected to those who may require your services. It's all part of finding the right people and staying connected. So there you are. Those are my guidelines to help you restart your career. If you have any questions for me or any comments or feedback for this video, do leave it in the comment section below. If you find this video resourceful, give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends who are currently on break and are probably looking to restart. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you take good care of yourself. Bye.